I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail and immigration finds you in the jail because they sweep it every single day, every couple hours. If they find you in there, they will place an immigration detainer on you.
Hear me, yo. Watching how them opera boys get sentenced. You know how the fuck's going on, man. Y'all boys tuned into that Oouchie court watch. Well, we taking it straight from the jail cell to the judge. Hear me?
Buenos días, nomás escucha el juez. Dice.
Bottom of the page. Yeah, okay. You are Alejandro Castillo.
Yes.
Mr. Castillo, you're charged with failure to stop and give information. Essentially leaving the scene of an accident without exchanging information. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On March 6, 2025, at 9 a.m., officers were dispatched with a badge at a location in Texas. Upon arrival, the officer met the complainant. The complainant stated that she was sitting at a red light and she was struck by the defendant, and then the defendant left the scene. The complainant was able to get the vehicle's license plate. The complainant followed the defendant through a residential neighborhood where the defendant lost control of the vehicle and crashed into a house about a mile from the original crash. The complainant estimated damage to be around $2,500. And it is not $100.
That's what I was gonna ask you. Okay. Mr. Castillo, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with the case. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail and immigration finds you in the jail because they sweep it every single day, every couple hours. If they find you in there, they will place an immigration detainer on you. And you will be stuck like Chuck in there until this case is over with. And then you will be shipped off to immigration where you will sit. It takes 9 months just to get a 911 tape here. So you will sit for that time, then shipped off to immigration. I don't know what your status is, but if you're not here with permission, you better live with a halo over your head and not violate any conditions that I put on you now. I'm ordering you not to drive. You do not have a Texas driver license. You do not have liability insurance. You are not to drive. I don't care what is going on in your life. I don't care that you need groceries. I don't care that a baby needs to go to the hospital. If you don't have a Texas driver license and liability insurance and approval from us, you are not allowed to drive. If I find that you break this condition, your bond goes bye-bye. You have the ability to hire a lawyer.
¿Usted puede ocupar su propio abogado, sí o no? No.
I can have you fill out an application and I will take a look to see whether you qualify for an appointed lawyer. I need to know everything about you. We are filing conditions that you're not to drive. Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions. Deputy Miranda is now going to give you an application for an appointed lawyer. I will have you sign a receipt with Victoria, and then we'll have you take a seat in the jury box, sir. James. Yeah.
Judge, can I start with Alator Aristelsi for bond violation? She tested positive on 3/4. On March 4th for cocaine, Judge.
Can you bring her up, please?
And Judge, this is her first bond violation. If you'd be willing to give.
Ordered you not to use, you're now testing positive for cocaine. That's unacceptable. No, I'm not going to let you go. You know, I mean, you know, marijuana, alcohol, No, you're testing positive cocaine. Unacceptable. I order you not to use. Now I have to take further action to ensure that you're not using. First, I'm going to revoke your bond. You go into custody.
Judge, would you allow her to do a walkthrough bond?
No. I need you to realize that we mean business, that when we tell you not to use, especially cocaine, you're not to use. I'm sorry.
Would you
Goes
set
with you.
on that, Judge?
$5,001.
5,001. And Judge, I have two more.
Will,
Last name?
Hey, Judge, how are you?
hey, bud. What's new, man?
Let me pull over real fast. Trying to get home.
Take your time, man. Do you want to?
No, I'm good. I'm pulling my neighborhood right now. I'm here on Weinzel. He is in custody. He was on bond at your court with AFM and then picked up a continuous, same complainant. I've talked to the prosecutors. They're going to dismiss this AFM once he's indicted on the continuous. I've let my client know that. So I just want to get a reset till the day after the felony date.
Got it. I'm gonna revoke the bond on our case, though. He's on bond. It's set at 1,000. So he picked up another assault against the same complaining witness, you say?
Yeah, his
Right.
nephew.
Correct.
It says.
So I'm gonna revoke it. I'll set it at 5,001.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
And then I guess just keep us in the loop. The felony set for 4/28. You want the day after?
Sir.
Yeah, is that okay? The 4/29?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Can you not hear? Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Who's that?
Page 38.
Mine's a
Oh, okay. Oh, you're, okay. 429 after the felony?
yes.
Yeah.
You revoked somebody. Who was that?
Flores.
And, oh, no, not those. I thought one Little was talking about. That's the last page. That's Felony Mango. That's the one you just wrote, Judge?
Yeah, on Wenzel.
May I be excused, Judge?
Is that it, Will?
That's all I got, Judge.
Okay, man, have fun. Good luck with the interview.
All right. Thanks. Have a good one.
I thought that was the one that you.
All right. Come on up, please.
Yes, I can.
All right, so Mr. McGee, you've worked out an incredible, not you, your lawyer has worked out an incredible deal. You're charged with five, it's 5 open cases, right? Shh. You're charged with evading arrest, to identify oneself, evading arrest, theft, burglary of a motor vehicle, and I think that's it, right? As part of the agreement, you're going to plead guilty to the burglary of a motor vehicle and the evading arrest. You need to understand that both of these cases are enhanceable cases, meaning if you pick up another one of these cases, it's very possible they charge you with a felony offense. Now, on the burglary case, it may be 2 or 3. I think it's a third, it's a felony. But on the evading case, you pick up a second one, you're looking at a felony charge, years instead of days. You understand? So I don't know who you're hanging out with. I don't know what you got going on in your life, but you got to surround yourself with better people, because you start the wrong people, they're going to bring you down. Don't become another statistic. We have enough black and brown people in custody now. Don't become a statistic. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal once you plead guilty to these cases. You can't do anything else. It goes on your record. It'll be there forever. How do you plead to both cases guilty? Mr. McGee, if you need anything, just come back, talk to me. I'll get you whatever you need. If you want a place to stay, food, cell phone, tablet, We can work just about anything to get you what you need. It's never a problem.
Yes, sir.
But would you get out there, you get on the street, just- you gotta be careful, man. You get one life. You don't get another one. There's no redos. Good luck, man.
Appreciate it.
It's it's 30 days, I'm sorry, 30 days in jail, credit for the 29 and 31 days.
Okay.
Oouchie watch, we're on the scene. Truths unravel, and what does it mean? In the halls where stories clash, Oouchie watch, quick as a flash.